Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, it's Bree, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be recreating a look from this YouTuber I just subscribed to. Like, her name is MakeupTiffanyJ. I will leave the video that I will be recreating right here, and I will definitely leave her YouTube channel down in the description. And yeah, before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's right there. It's big and red. It says subscribe. Click it. And you can even click the like button right there. It's right there. And leave a comment if you want a shout out in my next video, you know. Hello. Support your girl. First thing first, with our eyes, we're going to take some concealer. I'm using NARS currently because I can't find my favorite concealer, but we're going to prime my eyes with some NARS today. And then I'm going to use some tape just so I get that sharp edge. Today I am using the one and only crayon palette. I decided to mix the pink and red just because the pink was too light and I needed to get it a little darkened, so I just mixed it with the red. And I'm only focusing this color in my crease. It doesn't matter if it's messy or not, because at the end of the day, we're just focusing on the cut crease. Now I'm taking a little pointy fluffy brush and I'm gonna blend with some yellow, and I'm just focusing on the top of the pink. I went back into the pink just because the yellow was fading out the pink. So just to bring the pink back, I added pink and red. And then I added a little more yellow just so I could see the yellow and I could see the pink. Now taking the same brush I used for the yellow, I'm going to go in with some purple. I'm going to take it all over my crease just like I did the pink. I'm not going to go right on top of the pink, only just a little bit, just so you can still see the pink. Alright, now time for the fun part, the main part, the cut crease part. And I'm just gonna take you can take any concealer of your liking, it doesn't matter. But oh my goodness, you guys, this part I almost went crazy just because as a quadriplegic, your hands tend to shake, it don't stay still to save your life. So I try my best to make the cut crease as sharp as I can. If you think I did a good job, give this video a thumbs up and comment that I did a good job. Okay, and next in the crayon palette, I'm going to take the gold eyeshadow and just place it all over the lid. You're going to see me use a smaller brush when I get closer to the top just because I want to stay in the lines. Next, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow, and I'm only going to focus on the outer part of my eyelid. And it's okay if it looks a little messy. Don't worry, girl. Once you take that tip off, it's going to look fine. Next, I'm going to take a NYX eyeliner, and I didn't show this part just because I was too close to the mirror. All you seen was my head, so I just had to edit it out. I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue just so the glitter can stick easier on the eyelid. The glitter I will be using is from NYX. I personally love it, even though it do get messy. I would prefer the one with the brush, but this one works well too. Boo boo. To finish off the look, we're gonna prime our eyes with some mascara. I believe this mascara is from L'Oreal. And then I'm gonna take L'Oreal mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It's just like the Better Than Sex mascara. It's just a dupe and it's cheaper. Next, I'm gonna touch up with my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade. If you want to see a full tutorial on my eyebrows, just hit your girl up in the comments and just comment, "Brie, your eyebrows cute. I want to see a tutorial." Okay? Okay, you guys, that was the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave some comments down below and subscribe and comment. I'll see y'all later. Bye.